All right, hello. I just wanted to quickly answer a question I'm sure a lot of people have about using the Fire TV with Bluetooth as the audio output, and that is, how is the audio sync with this? So as you can actually see, I'm using this with a projector, and it's actually a great way to get audio from the back of your room, where the projector is, up to your front stereo system. So to prove how good the audio sync is, I'm gonna actually open up YouTube here, which is preloaded to an audio sync test. And you can see it's actually quite good. So that's about as close to zero as I've ever seen on this test. So good on Amazon Fire TV. This is a great solution for Bluetooth audio. So I hope this was useful for you guys. And if you have a projector at home and you're wondering how to step up your audio game, this is definitely a viable solution. Or if you're just using it with regular Bluetooth speakers, it certainly works either way. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video.